Good morning, students. Today we will study about sexually transmitted disease, that is STD. This is the infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted disease or venereal disease or reproductive tract infections. Some common STDs are AIDS, hepatitis B, trichomoniasis, genital herpes, genital wart, etc. Gonorrhea. What are the symptoms of gonorrhea in men? Discharge from the penis, white, yellow, experiencing a burning sensation during urination, anal discharge, irritation, blood being discharged from the penis. And what are the symptoms in men? In women, discharge from vagina, that white color or green color, experiencing pain or burning during urination, anal discharge, irritation, several severe pain during intercourse. And the treatment of gonorrhea is simply treated with antibiotics is the only given in a single dose. And another disease is chlamydiasis. The symptom in men are discharge from the penis, white and wateries, burning sensation during urination, red sore on penis, itching, burning of testicles. Symptom in women are discharge from the vagina, mucus-like, experiencing pain in the abdomen, bleeding even when not menstruating, pain during urination. The medicine of this is again that antibiotics that is given. Trichomoniasis. In the woman the symptom is itching into the genital, a burning sensation in the genital area, etic fever, yellow, white, grey, green discharge from the vagina, foul smell from the discharge, pain while urination, pain during intercourse. In male, this disease is rare, but still in some of the male that the symptoms are pain during ejaculation, pain and burning sensation during urination, burning sensation during sex along with pain, discharge from the urethra, painful swelling in the scrotum. Means that male and the female symptoms are almost same. And how we can prevent this sexually transmitted diseases? Sexually transmitted diseases are the major threat in the healthy society. Prevention or early detection are the cure of in sexually transmitted disease are given prime consideration under the reproductive health care program. Means that any kind of sexually transmitted disease may, if anyone is suffering from that, it must be detected and must be diagnosed in early stage. Though all the persons are vulnerable to this infection, their incidence are reported to be very high among the person in the age group of 15 to 24 years because they are unaware of hygienic sexual intercourse from any sexual contact in only absolute way to prevent the getting STD, sexual transmitted disease. STDs can be prevented by taking following precaution. How we can prevent this disease? Avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partners. Having a long-term monogamous relationship means that with a single partner we must have the relationship. Asking partners with if they have ever had an STDs, if the partners have she had or anyone suffered STDs earlier, you must have the track record. Asking partner to be tested before having sex, either they are suffering at the present from STDs or not. Being aware of symptoms and sign of STD, must knowing about the symptom sign of STDs. Always use condom during coitus. If any case of doubt, go to the qualified doctor for early detection and get proper treatment if diagnosed with disease. Means that any kind of problem if anyone is having regarding STDs must consult to a qualified doctor so that it can be checked and diagnosed in proper time. Thank you for today.